In this video, slightly different, I want to talk about vacation rental properties. Yes, look, if you're investing on short-term rental, you can turn around and just invest on vacation rental. Slightly different strategy, slightly different guest behaviors, probably a lot more based on leisure guest families. It could be very seasonal, but I thought, do you know what? A lot of people forget that there's certain platforms to attract you those certain kind of guest behaviors, and they've also got that behaviors to look at certain platforms to book you. So it'd be a quite interesting video. Look, a different perspective, because we work with so many different accounts, different properties, different types of properties. We get to actually share with you the real-time example of what's happening in the market. So look, if you're new to this channel, my name is Piers from GrowYourBnb.com, and let's go through straight away into this Facebook marketing video. So as you can see from my screen, I've just gone into my Facebook, and the first thing a lot of people forget is when you search for, let's say, vacation rental properties in Spain, what I'm personally looking for is numbers of group, right? So where people are actually selling or different stuff. So if I go into pages here, look at this: long-term rental offers in Spain, only 1 year contract, 1 year minimum contract. You can obviously market your property as a short-term rental in there. You've also this is quite an interesting one. You can see here, Spain holiday rentals, a place for holiday makers and vacation rental owners to meet, chat and book direct. So let me go, I'm just going to join it. Again, quite a different strategy. A lot of people forget that by doing this, not only what you're seeing here is, look, yesterday somebody actually put a comment there saying, I'm looking for availability from 16th of September for 2 weeks, 42 people please. Brilliant. Do you know what? 104 comments. Everyone's selling their property. Obviously quite a unique way to compete in the market, but also you get to learn. So one of the way before you start this is to actually have a Facebook group or Facebook actual page for your business. So now let's talk about 4 things you need to achieve this. So firstly, if you've never created yourself a Facebook page for the business, you will obviously need your personal account or your account. You need to log into there. You can create a page for the business, and then after that you can start using that page to communicate with your clients. The second thing you will need is obviously a marketing design or a leaflet. If you've watched some of my other videos, I talked about how you can have a Airbnb business card. Exactly that, you can have a Airbnb, or effectively turning around and have a Facebook business card with your property photo, contact details, blah blah blah. So we're actually, if you're going and communicating with all these people who've requested, you could actually leave your business card detail with a photo. Rather than typing loads of information, you can say, here's a photo, it's got all the information, kind of leaflet really, and you can post that on that page. It's helped you to be seen. Secondly, you can leave your Facebook page link in there, which means then people will divert into your Facebook page, and all of a sudden, from an organic perspective, you're going to get a lot more clicks on the page. Yes, does it take time? Obviously it does, because you've got to keep an eye on it. But secondly, you can always at a later date pass it to a VA to manage it. Now also talk about, one thing I always want to do is always understand that, look, guests and their behaviors, their booking behaviors. So if somebody's today gone into Facebook and actually put saying they're looking to book X amount of time for 2 people, that is a behavior that they've not decided to go into Google, not decided to go into Airbnb, booking.com, and knew that if they do that way, they're probably going to get a lot more better deal, and effectively something that they probably have already done before. So quite a unique way of approach. But somebody today in Facebook Marketplace or group has landed themselves a 2 weeks booking by just communicating with the potential guest. And if I was you to sit down and write an interaction between your potential guest and your marketing strategy, because if you are gonna look from a vacation renter perspective, we're not talking about your standard Airbnb property, we're not talking about a corporate, like a property that's based in London for a business client. We're talking about some vacation rental homes where people are going to go there for leisure. It's going to be families, it can be potentially a family of 4, and they're looking there to have fun and actually enjoy your property. Now look, you're probably thinking, Piers, actually, there's 95% of people who use Facebook. There's probably very less from our guest behavior perspective. They're probably less than 10% of guests who actually then go into Facebook to do so. But what you are doing now is it's helping the rankable for your brand. Secondly, once you're consistent and posting for your vacation rental home, like for example, Instagram as well. Amazing if you use the right hashtag, the right location-based tag, it automatically gains different type of interest, searchable, organic, ranking for your business. So effectively, you're going to get people who have never seen you before, or you'll be in front of people that would have never seen you before in Airbnb or Booking.com. So quite a unique way of approaching your marketing strategy. So look, in this video, on the below description, I'm going to actually share to you how to promote step by step your vacation rental home, on the process of how to register in Facebook and all the steps you need to take. There's about 8 steps that I'd like you to take on a consistent basis. So if you go down in the description and follow the process, you will be able to increase your booking, effectively be seen in the way that you want to increase your direct booking system. So look, there's so many different opportunities. In my case, we have a Facebook group called Airbnb Marketing, or Service Accommodation and Airbnb Marketing. We'll pop that on the screen for you. If you are looking to learn more about marketing in general for your business, for your vacation rental or Airbnb properties, please make sure you go and join that. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, we're always trying different stuff that's going to work for host, operators and business owners all over the world. Thank you so much, for watching another Grow Your BnB video. We have worked with just over 1,900 properties all over the world. We've launched properties in the UK, we've launched property in Dubai, Portugal, Spain. We're looking to grow in US market, and we're talking to big companies right now to eventually help them do exactly what we do best. Learn about guest behavior, learn about their property, match them together and make some high profits into your property. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that like, subscribe and share, and we'll be back with another video soon.